when you were younger, what do you want to be when you grow up? That was my random question. And what do I want to do when I grow up? When I ask myself this question, sometimes I have doubts. Because there are still many things that I want to do, and I already grown up. So I don't know. Now I am all that I dream in that time, like I was 12 or 14 years old. If I looking back on it, the records of my youth are true now because I always want to study arts, and I put a lot of effort to make it possible, and I finally get it a few years ago, like for at least. Now I'm studying to becoming a great teacher. I hope so. And English was the first language that I want to learn, and I started to do it by myself. When I was a half year to graduate from high school, I think so. I won a scholarship to a language institute. Then I take the opportunity and began to learning. And it was the second time in my life that I feel so sure about something. The first one was to becoming an artist. I can say that all of us have many dreams and we can make them real. It will be no easy, but every achievement that I make, I realize that in spite of many difficulties, life is still kind and we just must be grateful, and the best we can do it is enjoy it, and as long as we can laugh and cry, and when the time is right to move forward without no regrets, to live fully and leave the footprint that the world will not easily erase. And I think that's all that I can say to answer that weird and random question that I choose to answer. Thanks.